Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Toyota 4Runner in Forza Horizon 5. First, navigate to the main menu and select the Auto Show option. This is your primary method for purchasing new vehicles directly from the game. Look for the Toyota manufacturer and then locate the 4Runner model. If it's available, you can buy it instantly with in-game credits. If the 4Runner isn't in the auto show or you want a better deal, head to the auction house. Here, players sell their cars, often at varying prices. Use the search filters to find the Toyota 4Runner. You can place bids or use the buyout option for an immediate purchase. Be patient, as good deals appear regularly. Sometimes, rare or desirable vehicles like the 4Runner are offered as rewards in the festival playlist. This is a rotating set of weekly and monthly challenges. Complete races, PR stunts, and other activities to earn points. Accumulate enough points, and you might unlock the 4Runner for free. Always check the current season's offerings. Finally, consider if the Toyota 4Runner is part of a car pass or a specific downloadable content pack. These expansions often introduce new vehicles to the game. Visit the in-game marketplace or your platform store to see if there are any relevant DLCs. If the 4Runner is included, purchasing the pack will add it directly to your garage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.